Are you hear me, friends? Maybe your microphone is mute. Okay. Okay, tell me now.
Okay. This is the company that I sell internet for. Okay,
Yeah.
it's Windstream. It's in about 17 different states.
Yeah.
So these are the leads for all the places that it's in. Some of them have a lot of leads, and then some of them are very small. So as you see, if you scroll down, there's a lot of different cities as far as that goes. And then there's different tiers of cities. So this is tier one. Okay. Then I got tier two. Tier two has its own cities. And then tier three, and then tier four. So it's about 17 states, and I believe it's a lot of little small cities that it covers. So what I do for Facebook is, of course, I have I have them all kind of sectioned off. What do you call that when you put them together? I have them grouped together, as far as the cities, and an ad set.
One is very important for us, friends. So I check your websites. Maybe you are run a previous campaign and you would like to say that ads campaign result was not good. Am I right?
It's working, but it's not very efficient.
Okay, friends. Okay, I see that. I check your website. Maybe you didn't set up Facebook Pixel, Google Analytics Tag Manager, and a lot of data tagging code like iOS 14 up. And did you run Google Ads campaign previous time?
Yeah, I'm running Google Ads campaign right now, but again, it's not very effective. So I'm looking to run Google Ads and run Facebook campaign.
Okay, friends. Trust me, I will working with you and fix the all issues why you not receive good data from Facebook and Google Ads campaign. So this is very important and run proper campaign and proper plan and marketing strategy. So how do you think?
Yeah, I mean, it sounds okay.
Okay, thank you, friends. Normally, did you use WhatsApp?
WhatsApp, yeah, I use WhatsApp.
Or can you send me your WhatsApp number in Zoom chat box, not Fiverr? As you know that Fiverr not support share personal information in Fiverr.
Yep, hold on.
Okay.
Let me look it up. Hold on.
Okay, I sent you a message. You are from United States, am I right?
I'm in United States. Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Which city?
I'm in North Carolina, Charlotte.
Okay. Check it later. Okay, you can tell me.
Yeah, I wrote down some notes that I want to go over with you, just so you're a little bit more familiar with my business and how to advertise as far as the pricing. Okay. So first off, I wrote down that you got the list of the cities. Okay, so we provide internet in all those cities as far as that goes. Okay, the second part is the pricing. Okay, so you can run two different ads. One ad is going to be for regular pricing. Okay, this one is $48.98. That's for regular pricing. Okay, that price includes modem, also includes Wi-Fi. So it includes everything for this price. Okay, and then there's a second ad. And there's this one for $18. Okay, this is a government program here in America. So this program is for people who receive like subsidy. So they receive benefit like, food stamp, SSI, Medicaid. Are you familiar with those programs?
What?
Okay. This one here is for people in America who receive government benefit. Okay, so they pay less price. So they pay $30 less if they receive government benefit.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is regular pricing. So it's two different ads, okay?
Yeah.
One for regular pricing and then one for people who receive government benefit.
Okay, sure.
Okay. All right. So that's what I put right there. Run two different campaigns, one for regular and then run for low income. So, okay, perfect. All right. So here I put some sample ads of ads that I would use, but you can put however you like. Okay, this is for the regular ad. Okay, and then I put high speed internet Wi-Fi, $48 plus tax with auto pay. Okay, and then I put hold on. That's okay, I'll change that later. Then I put first month free because customer always gets first month free if they sign up. Okay, and then I put
okay. If any person sign up, you can provide them free service 1 month.
Free service 1 month. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Thank
you. No money to start. No money to start.
Yeah.
Okay, first month free. Okay. Now this is for internet speeds. Do you know about internet speeds?
Yeah, I know that internet is speed.
Okay. So this is 1,000 megabit per second. Okay. So this is fastest speed that you can get. We offer. We don't offer everywhere, but we put it in the ad. For speeds up to 1,000 megabits per second. No startup costs. And then I usually put fast install. Yeah. Now I put my number in there or something. I don't know. Okay. And here's another ad example. High speed internet available near you, $48 plus tax, first month free. Does your home need internet? High speed Wi-Fi available. Plans as low as $48. Well, I guess that I'll repeat it. Okay, here's another ad. Okay, here's one for the low income program.
Okay, sure.
Okay, high speed internet, SSI, SNAP, Medicaid. Okay, these are 3 government programs here in America.
Yeah.
Okay, so SSI is for older people. Senior citizens, maybe 60, 65, 75. Okay. SNAP, this is for food stamps. This is for food subsidy. Okay, so every month, people receive this food subsidy, SNAP. Okay, Medicaid, this is health subsidy. Okay, so this helps pay for doctor bills.
They are receiving a medical benefit.
Yeah, medical benefit. So this is medical benefit. This is food benefit. This is pension for older. Okay, so if they receive this benefit, then they get discount. Okay, so they get $30 off. So they pay this price instead of 48. You minus 30 and pay 18. Okay, you still get 1 month free. So it's a good deal. Okay, so that's 2 ad examples that I have there. Okay, so I just kind of wanted to go over those as good, as a good starting point. But I know you can kind of tweak the ads how you want to, as far as that goes. But that at least gives you a little bit more understanding of, of my business, and a little bit more of the pricing for when you're running the ads. Okay, and then okay, and then let's see. And then if we want to do, I would recommend maybe 4 Facebook campaigns. I don't know, but you're expert. Can we do? Yeah, sure. Can we do 1 video campaign and then one regular script? I mean, 1 pixel.
Okay, sure.
So hold on, let's see. One for each one for regular pricing, and then one for low income pricing for Pixel. Okay. And then
Sure.
for video, we do one for regular pricing and then one for Pixel. So
Okay.
4 Facebook campaigns. What do you think about that?
For Facebook campaign.
Yeah, run 4 Facebook campaigns.
Okay. I think it's good. But here is my question: what will budget for our 4 campaign? Budget will same for 4 campaign?
I'm sorry, say that again.
I mean, our ad cost per ad campaign ad cost $5 per day.
So let me ask you this. Let me pull up my current ad cost, okay? Because I will turn.
Friends,
Yes, sir.
can you share this file with me in WhatsApp?
Yes, I will. I will share this file with you. Yes.